Thinking of having a baby? Let's first take a look at what modern life has been doing to your swimmers. You see, our testicles hang for a reason. Healthy sperm are very sensitive to overheat and require lower temperatures to form properly. But every time we sit or dry for longer than 30 minutes, we interfere with our scrotum's natural cooling systems, causing overheat. Studies show this overheat causes dramatic reduction in sperm count and quality. Yet, sitting is unavoidable. We now sit for an average of 8 to 12 hours a day, causing damage to our swimmers. It's not surprising that over the last 40 years, sperm counts in the Western world have been cut in half. Infertility now affects 1 in 8 couples, and a male factor is involved half of the time. We wanted to provide a natural solution that helps couples achieve the family they've been dreaming of. So in consultation with fertility experts, we've developed an innovative cooling device called the UNDERDOG. The UNDERDOG is a convenient male cooling system. It consists of a wedge-shaped cold pack with engineered insulation that easily slips into place when seated. The UNDERDOG is designed to put your testicles in the optimum range for healthy sperm production and avoid the temperature danger zone. Its gentle wedge shape makes for a comfortable fit, and its soft sleeve prevents condensation to keep pants dry. The UNDERDOG's discreet, masculine design lets you confidently use it when driving, sitting at your desk, or relaxing at home. Healthy sperm is critical to starting a healthy family, so don't play with fire. Put the UNDERDOG in your toolkit today.